Having the right apprentice has been 100% positive for DP World's business, our maintenance department. It had been a while since we had apprentices in this business. There's a lot of compliance issues, safety issues, and one of the great things about MEGT is they understand the different nuances of the different parts of trades.
So we work really closely with the host employers to make sure that they've got all the policies and procedures. And at every single site visit, we talk about safety as we help guide the host employer and the apprentice through their safety practices throughout their apprenticeship.
This apprenticeship has set me up for a long-term career in the electrical industry. MEGT is great about guiding me with onboarding safety expectations, and they come out to site, they check in on me.
So our apprentices get seen by our field officers once every 8 to 10 weeks.
The apprentices that come from MEGT are already so well versed in safety procedures. It was so very easy to integrate them into our safety culture.
We support our apprentices through their TAFE journey so they can complete their apprenticeship on time, not only for themselves but also for the businesses as well.
MEGT looked after it all. They've organised all the TAFE administration paperwork. They took a massive load off us that we would have had to deal with. We just get to enjoy the positivities of having an apprentice. It future-proofs the industry, future-proofs us as our business, so we've got the right skills at the right time. MEGT have supplied us with industry-ready apprentices that meet our business needs from the get-go.